Hello, online Introduction to Cannabis Studies students. This video is just going to give you an overview of what the student access looks like for Oaksterdam University. So once you log in, you should be able to see this learning path. So when you click in here, you are going to see that there are multiple courses in your learning path. So there are 10 topics that we are going to be looking at over the course of this semester. The first one is just resources, okay? So this is not your first assignment. The assignment that is posted on Moodle is the Cannabis History and Policies module. So hold that thought, but if you look in the resource tab here, you are just going to be able to see video libraries that are available for you to watch lecture videos if you would like on some of the topics that come up in the class. There's advertisement for some of the other programs that Oaksterdam University offers. There are some flashcards here for weights and measurements of different vocabulary words associated with cannabis flower. There are dosage guidelines and other charts available for you, and then a selection of other resources. Nothing is required here for you to complete. It's just a list of resources that Oaksterdam University plugged into your course. What you do need to complete this year is the Cannabis History and Policies course. So it says it will approximately take you 45 minutes. As you are looking through this, go ahead and read this first page, which is just going to give you some background information about this learning module, and it's going to talk to you about the quiz. So there are 2 quizzes at the end of the course, a review quiz and a final quiz, final exam. The questions are the same on both quizzes, but only one is scored. So use the review quiz to prepare for the final exam, and you must pass the final exam with a score of 80% or higher to pass and move on. So start the course, and these are the sections of the course. You can start the course here, and then you can navigate to the different sections along the left-hand side. Embedded within this course are different little modules off to the left-hand side. If you would like to watch the lecture video that is provided to you here from when this class was taught live, you can go ahead and watch that video. If you want to just access the information by reading through this information and clicking into the different links, go ahead and do that. You need to click through each of these lessons, and you are reading all of this information, potentially watching some of these videos, clicking on some of these links as you go through the content. So you can see there's a lot of information here. It's kind of like an interactive online textbook. You could print sections of it if you would like, and then there's, embedded videos in there as well. So it's a lot of information. So, you might sit down a couple different times, but then you get down to lesson 6 where there is the review quiz. So you're going to go through the review quiz. I think it's taking a long time to load, but when those questions appear, then you answer those as practice, and then ultimately you will take the final quiz. So after watching this video, if you still have questions, let's set up a Zoom meeting to access what you need to for the course. Okay, thanks.